That's right. Nice day off. It's sunny, if a little bit windy, so I'm kind of worried about my hat blowing, but had to do a little bit of walk for an errand, so got myself my Americano from my favorite spot near home, Cafe VIP. Which, if you're a smoker too, then you could always get your vaping stuff here too, which, yeah, get your coffee, get your smokes. It's almost like a dépanneur, but I love it. I know the guy here because I've known him since high school for about at least 20 years or so, I would say. And they got some good blends, good coffees as usual. And if you watch my hometown wander video from a while back, I did talk about how I remember how much it changed over here. Because that spot used to be a rental store, Le Club International des Videofilms, and I think I remember renting Sonic and Knuckles on Sega Genesis back in 1994, 1995. Oh, better stop now, I'm going to be losing my hat.